Hello guys, welcome to our crypto. So today we are here to introduce an amazing project. But before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on my social media on the description. See you soon after this intro. Today we have the SERJ.ai project. You can transform DeFi with AI-driven innovation. As you see, this is amazing project for this month as the DeFi has not delivered yet. Experience a security decentralized finance interface and infrastructures powered by AI. The SERJ protocol delivers real, sustainable and verifiable yield. You can join the waitlist or you can just read. First of all, you have to read the documents from here, and you can also join the watchlist. So let's figure out this amazing token, amazing project, the algorithmically driven community coherent. You can discover where AI meets the DeFi, but before start, I just want to say that you have to do your own search. This is the white paper for the project. You have to read it carefully. I will put it under this video description and also on the first comment. You can read all the content of this project, the introduction, the search nodes, the algorithm, the period result, the search, etc. Everything you must read it before start investing on this project or start trade on it. So you can see here some partners like YouTube, Chainlink, and a lot of things. The power behind the protocol, you can see the power of this project is the AI power trading strategy. At the heart of the SERJ is everything you need on this amazing video. So the SERJ token, let's talk about the SERJ token. You can see here the pulse of your ecosystem. They have the empowered governance, deflectionary model, and also potential rewards and cross-chain compatibility. You can see here the SERJ nodes for sure, the Ignite driven real yield DeFi, and a lot of things about the test node. It will come soon on the project. Don't forget to follow me on the next videos for sure, so you can get your getaway to the everything SERJ AI. They have a lot of things. This is the SERJ, the white paper of this, and also the road map for the SERJ. It will be available for the next few months. You can join the community by click here, and for sure you can read about everything for this amazing project. You can see here the SERJ token, the features, the blog, and a lot of things for sure. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet and you can buy the token. Also, you can join the list. You can just put your name, email, and this is the handle X if you have and join the amazing token. You can also read the docs for sure. So you can do it here and trade with the SERJ. This is the official token, the SERJ token. As you see, the price for now is 0.0617. The price is increased a little bit in the last few minutes. You can see here the price for the last 12 minutes. The price also for the last day. It means the price is really increased as is from 0.04 till 0.06. as you see, everything is clear. You can just create an account here on the coin store, the first supported project exchange in the world. The coin store you can create or you can just register. From here, the spot, you can buy and sell the tokens. You can do the limit or the market here, select how much that you want to buy, or you can select the price for your the percentage of how much do you buy exactly, for example 50% of your price, etc. And you can just buy it like this. The SERJ token is really an amazing for you guys. You can see here the past orders, the trading orders. This is the price for now, is really a good price for you guys if you want to invest with this small amount, for example $10 or $50 or $100. And here are some information about the price. Last 24 hours the price has been increased 0.32%. This is the high price, this is the low price here, and the total volume in the last 42 2 hours. So everything is clear, guys. Let's figure it out. Some social media. This is the official SERJ X account. They have more than 10,000 followers, and this is really a good number for you guys for the project. You can follow them on X for sure, and if you have any question, just post it under this video's description. So this is the new listing on the SERJ, as you see, and you can see welcome SERJ, and this is the trade time, the withdrawal time, and what is the space. For more, you can see the SERJ website and the SERJ Telegram official, and here are some posts about the SERJ for sure. So that's all about this amazing project. I will put it under this video's description for everyone who wants to trade on this SERJ token. I will put it under this video's description, and here are information about the SERJ AI. You can see the introduction, the IG time, the total amount, the white paper sure, and the official website, the PIP contract, PIP 20, etc. So this is the official Telegram group. Also, you can join the group here, and if you have any question, you can just ask them on this amazing token. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. You can see the SERJ official members, almost or more than 10,000 members, and this is really a good numbers for you for the project, guys. It means that the project is really a good one. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon, and goodbye.